Hello, everybody. Um, this is an excellent time for us to come to Egypt, December 30th, right before New Year's, to enjoy the bringing into the New Year's in Cairo in the pyramids, so that we can sing out the old 2017, bring in the new, in the most important place in human civilization. The wonderful ancient tour has been exceptional. We're very much looking forward to the next week in our tour of the Nile, and so far it's been already an extremely exciting time for us in Alexandria and Cairo, and we're very happy. Thank you to Oriental Tours for arranging everything, including babysitting the Pharaoh and Prince of Egypt, whose name is Maximilian. We had an excellent time today with him. Thank you for doing more than what was expected.